There's an old proverb that states it's better to visit the house of the dead than it is the house of laughter and partying, because at the end of the day, we all got to leave this place, family. I'm inside of my mom's house right now, the house I renovated and been getting things together so that way I could have a roof over my head, and now it's time for me to pass it on. You know, the journey continues for me, and my daughter, my oldest daughter, needs it, which is my mother's first grandbaby. And sometimes we build things, fam, to pass it down to others, to bless others. And you might not don't know it, in the process of while you're building or while you're doing what you're doing, but we're not here to live forever, fam. So sometimes we will prepare things so that someone else can take it to the next level. But I'm glad and I'm so honored that I got the opportunity to restore my mom's house. So if anything happens to me from here on out, I know I got a chance to do this. And I'm visiting it every time I come here, and it reminds me because my mom passed here. So to me, this is the house of the dead, fam. And she passed here and she gave me an inheritance and a blessing to help me in one of my hardest times of need. And now I'm being able to bless my daughter in one of her hardest times of need, because I still have to figure some things out. But life is what it is, fam. So it's nothing wrong with having a good time and enjoying life. But remember, we're not going to be here forever. So let's prepare things for those who are going to be here after us. Hold on.